All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving straight into a massive challenge facing tech leaders right now, bridging that enormous gap between experimental AI hype and actual, secure, production-ready workflows. Okay, let's dive into this wild stat. Right now, 88% of organizations are out there actively experimenting with AI. But get this, only 33%, literally just a third, have progressed beyond isolated pilots. So, what is going on here? Well, the bottleneck is almost never the AI models themselves. It's the integration.
Think about it. The before picture for isolated AI pilots usually involves chaotic manual data exports, disconnected analytics, and just completely fragmented workflows. It's a mess. But true operational AI, that's the after. It connects natively, directly to your CRM and ERP systems. We're talking about AI running securely on live operational data, right where the work happens. Because without that native connectivity, you are looking at some severe hidden costs. You get highly fragmented workflows, disconnected dashboards that completely ignore your live SAP inventory, and honestly, zero audit trails. Imagine deploying a chatbot that doesn't even have access to a customer's help desk history. That kind of operational friction is exactly why pilot paralysis sets in and these projects just die.
So the crucial point is how we actually fix this. Enter Cognativ's AI integration services. What they do is pretty much a game changer. They focus on embedding AI directly into your existing business systems, your CRM, your ERP, your identity controls. It's all about turning AI into a native, secure part of a real production environment rather than just keeping it as a fun science experiment.
And you might be wondering, how do you actually execute this without breaking production? Well, Cognativ uses their structured, rapid framework to make it happen without the disruption. It's a highly methodical sequence. First, you have assessment and architecture planning. Then, secure integration and testing. And finally, production deployment and optimization. Now for the CTOs and compliance officers tuning in, let's talk about the elephant in the room, security. Enterprise-first security is non-negotiable here. Built into every single layer, you get least privilege access enforcement and identity propagation right through the request chain. You also get comprehensive audit logs and, super importantly, human-in-the-loop controls for high-risk outputs. It's all fully aligned with frameworks you already care about, like NIST, HIPAA, and GDPR.
But it's not just about security. Performance matters just as much. During the testing phase, they make sure synchronous AI integrations are strictly validated to maintain latencies below 500 milliseconds, less than half a second. That is absolutely critical for ensuring a flawless, acceptable user experience.
And what if you're running older systems? Actually, your operations team doesn't need wholesale migrations to modernize. Thanks to legacy compatibility, abstraction layers, and middleware adapters lets you seamlessly integrate this modern AI without ripping out your core infrastructure. It perfectly respects the operational constraints you already have in place.
And this brilliantly illustrates the real so what of it all. When properly governed and integrated, the data proves the approach works. We're talking a 40% reduction in manual processing, 67% faster response times, and an average operational efficiency gain of 34%. That is tangible business impact tied directly to your existing workflow KPIs. To put that into perspective, there's a specific success story where a professional services firm utilized these governed AI agents to leap from an isolated pilot to full production in approximately 90 days. Just 90 days! And they fully automated their workflows with 100% of their actions securely logged. So, where does this leave us? It's time to stop just experimenting and start securely executing. Assess your integration architecture today, and whatever you do, move AI from isolated pilots into secure production workflows.